Tired of clutter? These 42 organizing finds are going to make your home look like it belongs in a magazine. From the kitchen to the bathroom, we're getting your life together, one clever product at a time. Let's dive in. Disposable chafing dish buffet set, now hosting made easy. Just serve, enjoy, and toss. No more scrubbing trays after a party. Elegant, effortless, and practical. Folding table and chairs. Set compact enough to store behind a door, but strong enough for dinner guests. Perfect for game nights, extra seating, or small apartments. Folds down in seconds. Setup is effortless. Duck-shaped table hooks. These cute hooks keep your bags, cords, or headphones off the table. They're adorable and surprisingly strong. A little quirk goes a long way in staying organized. Waste separation. Bin organize, you're recycling the smart way. Multiple compartments mean no more mixing trash with paper. Saving the planet, one bin at a time. Mug ice cream maker scoop. And mix your own ice cream right in a cute little mug. Then snap the lid on and store it. Delicious organization, anyone? Fridge beverage mat cans and bottles now sit in perfect rows. No more collapsing stacks or spills. This mat grips and organizes like magic. Laundry cart, wheel your laundry instead of carrying it like a caveman. This rolling cart is sturdy and folds away when not in use. Laundry day just got breezier. Vacuum sealer bags. These bags suck the air out of your food packaging and lock in freshness like a pro. Stack them in your freezer without the chaos. Perfect for bulk grocery shoppers and meal preppers. Drawer dresser. This isn't your grandma's dresser. It's compact, sleek, and fits in small spaces. Helps you organize your socks, shirts, or even office supplies. Cluttered drawers? Not anymore. Mop and broom holder mounted on the wall and click your tools into place. No more mops falling over or brooms shoved in corners. Your cleaning supplies now look organized and intentional. Wall-mounted glove dispenser. Pop in a box of disposable gloves and pull them out like tissues. It's perfect for cooking, cleaning, or even crafts. Functional, hygienic, and super satisfying to use. Mixing and storage bowls. These aren't just bowls, they come with lids and stack like a dream. Prep your ingredients, store leftovers, or take them on the go. And yes, they look pretty in your kitchen cabinet over the toilet storage rack. That awkward space above the toilet, now a goldmine for storage. Use it for towels, toiletries, or tiny plants for a cozy vibe. Ideal for small bathrooms that need big help. Drink coasters. Protect your tables from stains, water rings, and heat. These coasters add a pop of personality while being super useful. A small item that makes a big difference. Reed diffuser set. Set the mood and clear the air with these elegant reed diffusers. They look chic on your shelf and smell amazing all day, because a clean home should smell like one too. Folding closet organizers. Unfold these fabric bins and fill them with seasonal clothes or accessories. They keep your closet neat and collapse when not needed. Storage that adjusts to your lifestyle. Bathroom floor. Matte soft, absorbent, and quick drying. This mat keeps your feet cozy while preventing slips. It instantly makes your bathroom feel like a spa. Ice cube tray. No more spills on the way to the freezer. These trays are easy to fill, stack, and pop ice from. Drinks stay chilled and your freezer stays tidy. Air purifier. Breathe cleaner air while decluttering your senses. It filters dust, smoke, and allergens silently. Good air equals good vibes. Fabric storage cubes. Color-coded or labeled, these cubes make tidying up feel satisfying. Use them in closets, shelves, or underbeds. Decluttered and decorative. Compact foldable stool. This little stool folds flat but opens up big for a quick height boost. Tuck it in a corner, under a couch, or behind a door. Practical without being bulky. Stackable storage bins. Tidy up your pantry, bathroom, or craft supplies. These bins stack securely and save space while keeping items visible. Your shelves will thank you. Clear shoe boxes organizer. Each shoe has its own see-through box. Goodbye, messy pile. No more digging for matching pairs. They turn your closet into a mini shoe store. 3-tier rolling cart portable. Pretty and practical. This cart holds it all. Use it in your bathroom, kitchen, or office. Roll it where you need it most. Fridge magnets. Not just for photos, these hold keys, scissors, or even spice jars. Make your fridge work harder with zero clutter. Functional and fun. Knife block holder. Your knives stay sharp, visible, and safely stored. No more rummaging through drawers. It's like giving your cutlery a sleek penthouse. Pull-out cabinet organizer. Tired of bending down and digging through cabinets? This pull-out tray brings everything within easy reach. A must-have for under-the-sink chaos. Design shower caddy. Stick it to your shower wall. No tools required. It holds all your bottles without rusting, and it looks way better than a cluttered tub edge. Clothes storage bag store. Off-season clothes in zip-up bags that fit under your bed. They're see-through, breathable, and easy to grab. Closet rotation just got smarter. Steak knives. These knives slice like butter and sit neatly in a compact block. Perfect for everyday meals or dinner parties. Organized and ready to impress. Toilet bowl cleaner system. Snap in a cleaning cartridge and let it do the work for you. Keeps things fresh and germ-free without the gross scrubbing. Bathroom maintenance. Upgraded. Shower caddy tension. Pole 4 shelves, 0 screws. This pole fits any corner and holds your whole shower lineup. Space-saving and spa-like. Handheld steamer, wrinkle-free clothes in seconds with this easy-to-store steamer. It heats up fast and fits in tight spaces. Laundry day made lighter. Glass pitcher, serve iced tea or infused water in a clear, classy container. Fits easily in the fridge door. Looks good, works better. 3-step ladder. Reach your top shelf without asking for help. Folds slim and fits behind any door. Step up your storage game. Wall-mounted shelf for glasses. Display your sunglasses like art while keeping them safe. No more scratches or crushed frames. Stylish and smart. Cable management box. Hide that ugly mess of cords behind your TV or under your desk. Keeps dust out and vibes clean. Your workspace just leveled up. Motorized blinds open and close your blinds with a remote or your phone. Set schedules for natural light or privacy. Luxury meets automation. Adjustable night light. Twist it, dim it, love it. This night light adapts to your mood and lighting needs. Perfect for hallways or bedrooms. 360-degree rotating bookshelf. Turn the shelf to access all your books easily. It's a space-saving statement piece. Organized and artsy. Yoga mat rack. Keep your yoga gear off the floor and stylishly displayed. Perfect for storing mats, rollers, and bands. Your fitness corner elevated. Cereal dispenser. Pour cereal like you're in a hotel breakfast buffet. No mess, no stale flakes. Clean counters and happy mornings. So, which one are you adding to your cart first? Your home deserves to be this organized, and you deserve the peace that comes with it. Subscribe Things from Mars for more game-changing finds like these.